We're going to have a new class, theory class, and we will talk about how to steer the boat in close haul, and how to interpret our sails and how they behave when we're going upwind close haul. So we're going our 45 degrees to the wind, to the true wind. We talk about true and apparent wind a little later in next chapter. So what we do, we sheet our sails quite hard. Say 10 knots and above, or 8 knots and above, you sheet them really hard. In really light wind, let them play a little, have them a little loose, your sheets. But anyway, little more wind, go hard. So when we are sailing upwind, close haul, we will look at our sails. This is the closed direction. So actually here you cannot go much more to your left, but as soon as you go to the left, you will have the wind more like this. And of course then the wind will blow in your sail, in the forward part of the sail, because it's more curved there, more camber here. So as soon as you go a little higher, head up, you will have a little, the sail will go in along the mast and along the forestay. It will bump in, and then you know, okay, I'm going too much head up, I have to bear away a little. This is not much here. You can check your sheeting. Okay, have I let ease the sheets too much? Because they should be hard when you go in close haul. But if they are hard and you have this little bubble coming in along the mast and or along the forestay, you know you're aiming too high, too close to the wind, you have to bear away. On the other hand, if you're going too low, there's not actually that much that tells you about that if you're going too low. So what you have to do, if you don't have any other helping aid here, then you have to check, okay, go up, it's almost a bubble here, then go down a little, bear away a little, up, down, check your wind. So what the most sails do have is a little aid, really super good aid. It's the cheapest thing we have on the sails, and it's the best one, and it's like price worth as hell. So what you can do, you have the little bad green one here, but what we call them, it's Telltales. Actually I know the spelling is little odd. The spelling is like this. It should be tails, I guess, but I don't know if someone fucked up somewhere. Telltales, they tell you about the wind. Usually we usually just have them on the jib or the head sail, the Genoa, but of course when we're sailing like a laser on RS Aero with just the main sail, we do have them on the sails. They can be green and red, because green is the starboard color and red is the port color, but in many sails they are just black. Doesn't matter really, but they will tell us the same as the bubble, but they will also tell us if we are going too much too low, too far away from the wind, that we have bear away too much. So okay, well, what happens if we head up too much? We got the wind little too much here. Of course, the one on the leeward side, the green in this case, when we're going for port, and the sails and boom on starboard. If we head up too much, okay, the green one will have plenty of wind, it will stay there, but the red one is starting to dance because it comes in shadow from its own sail and from its own mast. And then we know, okay, we're heading up too much, we have to bear away a little. So we bear away and they're stopping dancing. If we bear away too much, it's the opposite. Then the leeward ones will come in the shadow from the sail, so it will be turbulence here, so it will start dancing. We bear away and the leeward telltale will have a turbulence, will stop in turbulence, and then we'll notice, even if we sit here on the windward side, we can actually usually see the telltales through the sails, so we see them dancing, and then we know, okay, I have to head up. So I'm heading up, they stop dancing. Okay, thanks for now.